Hello, welcome to lesson 15. In this video, I will explain the pronunciation of three initials, zh, ch, and sh. These three initials are difficult to pronounce. It's a little unique for Chinese language. I wish you learn it and practice it after this video. For the first one, zh, I hardly find some English pronunciation to match with these, but I would suggest you try to think the sound that little mouths make. Zh, zh. When you pronounce this zh, you bring the tip of your tongue a little bit up and to the top of your mouth. Then bring a very weak gas flow and break through your tongue like it shows in here. So the airflow actually passes through the tip of the tongue. Say, zh, zh. Okay, next one. Ch. The position for the pronunciation is similar to the first one. You bring the airflow pass through the tip of your tongue. At this moment, the tip of your tongue is on the top. Ch. The sound is a little bit similar like a change. Ch, ch, ch. Next one is the same. You bring the tip of your tongue toward the up of your mouth. Bring the airflow pass through this small track. Say, sh. It is a little bit similar to sheep. Sh. So these three initials, it can be combined with a, e, u, I, ao, an, o, ang, on, but not with o and ü. So remember, zh, ch, sh can be combined and pronounced together with the top ones. How these two can be combined. Actually, if you try to combine these together, you will figure out it's impossible. It's very hard to pronounce these two together. I pick up several important ones for you to learn in this video. The first one is zh, 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 zh. So this is the fourth tone. The meaning of this is this. The next one, we say n, a, na, means that. Na. Zhe, na, means this and that. Out here and there. So it's going to be combined with some other characters to make up the word, have their meaning. Zhe, na. Next one is the combination of zh and an, fourth tone. Zh, an, zhan. It means stand. It's a verb. As a noun, the meaning is a station. Like this a student stand beside the bus stop. We say zhan, zhan, zhan means stand or station or stop. Next one, I would like to let you know that in the Chinese, we have a lot of characters. Actually, they have different pronunciation and different meanings. For example, this one. They are exactly the same character. However, they have different meaning according to their different pronunciations. The first one we have zhi, ang, zhang is a third tone. Zhi, ang, zhang is a verb, means grow. If you pronounce as shi, ang, chang, second tone, it means something is long. Our life is long. So, zhi, ang, zhang. zhang, chang. Same character having different pronunciation and different meanings. Next one, we learn a very important word, 吃饭. We learned fan previously. It means food or rice, right? Or meal. For an, fan, first tongue. Today we combine 吃 with e, first tongue. 吃 means eat. 吃饭, this is a word. 吃饭 means having food. Today we will learn 是 一. So you make it very fast. 是 first tongue. It means yes, be. We have learned another character is bu. If you combine these two together, it means not. Actually, bu itself means no, not. So when you combine bu and shi together, means no. When you ask something yes or no, is that right? You say bu or 不是. Bu, 是. The next one is a combination of shi, ao, shao, third tongue. shi, ao, shao means less. Something is less, not enough. And the way it's written is simple. Let's try it. First stroke, second one, third, and last. 少. The next one is a combination of shi and o, third tongue. 是偶手. Actually, we have seen that in the previous video. It means hand. 手. So whenever you see some other character has part as these, means it's a word related to your hand. So I will show you how you are going to write it. So the first stroke, remember this stroke starts from the right. It's different with the normal one, like this. Second, third, and last. 手, hand. This is all for this video. I wish you learned this complicated pronunciation and practice a little bit more than the previous video. Thank you for watching. If you really like my channel, please remember to leave some comments, give me a thumb up, or subscribe this channel. Thank you. See you next time.